Hello everybody, my name is Giraffe, and today I'm going to be showing you some more new dresses because I have no control over my spending. Anyways, let's get to opening this because it's gonna take forever. I ripped the box. It's okay. There's another piece of tape. Okay. I got it. Okay, so the first dress is this chocolate cherry dress by Diamond Honey. And what I love about this dress is that the little straps have bear ears. Look at that. And then there's just some plain lace. And then the main print are these big old bears in the middle. Let me see if I can spread it out a little bit more so it's easier to see. But there are these big old bears in the middle and then like a little bunny. And then there's just cherries, some croissant looking things and pretzels all around this plaid that's all brown at the end. It doesn't have any lace, it's just ruffled right there. And the waist ties, they don't come off. But it has partial shirring, so that's really nice. And then it also came with the waist bow and an extra clip, an extra little clip bow. It's not something you can really put in your hair. You'd have to give it an alligator clip, but you can pin it anywhere you like. So that's really cool. You put these back in here. Next up, we have a bodyline dress. So I believe it's called like something like Rose Cosmetics. I'm not really quite sure. But this is what it looks like. It is pink with roses all over it. There's three or is it two? Oh my goodness, there's even more bows in this than I thought. Look at that. That's so cute. Look, so it has like 3 little bows up here on the top of the bodice. So there's that, and the bodice is kind of like, it has like these little like square like little ruffle layers, even though they're not really ruffly. And then it has some rose lace on the bodice here. Doobity-doo. And over here it has partial shirring with the little, this one has a little ribbon tie on it. And this is the bottom print right here. It has roses and little mirrors. Ooh, and I like this. The bottom isn't the super rough bodyline lace. It's actually more of like a chiffon going on down here. Look, it even has the chiffon on the side, so it won't scratch up your shirts like they usually do. The only thing is that it does have the lace on the straps. So the straps are gonna be a little scratchy, but other than that, it seems like it has adjustable straps too. This is really nice. So here's the waist bow for this dress. There is a little stain on it, but it's fine. That seems manageable to take out. Yeah, cute waist bow. Put it back in here for safekeeping. Okay, so here is the dress I am excited about. It is, I just know that it has fantasy in it. I think that's like the name, brand or so. Either way, I got this bundle because this dress just spoke to me, man. It's super sweet, like, you know, pastels and stuff, rainbows and toys just throw up on this dress, and I love it so much. This is my first mint dress. It also kind of reminded me of the AP's release. I don't even know the name of it because I didn't want it. But you know, everybody has seen this if you keep up with AP releases. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Ah! Okay, so this is what it is. Let me see if there's a tag. Is there a tag in it? Yeah, so the brand is Fantasy. This was released in 2019. But look at this dress. It is so adorable. See, it kind of has a similar bodice with these big straps. And then it has tri-colored buttons right here. The buttons are shaped like little bears. And then it has star and heart lacing. And this little bow here. And this one has full shearing. It's the full on right here. And this is weird. It's like, it looks like it's cotton, but it feels like polyester, if that makes any sense. Because if you can see closely, it's kind of gridded, like a lot of older cotton dresses. But it's really soft, like polyester. It's like really kind of like floopy whoopy. I don't know if that's a word to describe it, but yes. Oh, and there's also, this is kind of scratchy though. Ooh, it is the heart lace on the edges. They go out like this, so this has even extra lace on it there. It has some detachable waist ties with a little trim on it. This is the print. It is absolutely beautiful. There's so much going on here. It's just like a little like basically kind of like a children's room sort of thing with like all these toys. That's kind of what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like a playroom because it has all these little animals here on the carousel with the balloons and the garland. I love the garland. And oh, it just says amusement park. So this is like a little amusement park sort of dress. It's my first mint dress, and why I was kind of excited to style this wig, even if it is bad styling. At least I did something with it. This dress, absolutely adorable. So here is me wearing the dress directly after this video, just putting it on top of what I was already wearing. And then the picture on the right is another way I corded it a few days later.